Eat your food. Put in your mouth. Where's your apple? Where's the apple? Stop kicking me. Stop kicking me, you little stinking cutie. No, don't throw. Where's your apple? Finish your apple. What's this? Apples? Eat your apple. Yes, you threw your food over. No! Hey! You eat your food. Put it in your mouth. Put it in your mouth, Bella. There you go. You shouldn't talk with your mouth full. Bella, put it in your mouth, you little sneaky. I see what you're doing. Nope. Come on, the dog doesn't need to eat all that. Here, eat your apples. Put in your mouth. Good job. Put in your mouth. Put the apple in your mouth. Bella. Bella. Lay down. You want some more fish? More? Say more. Good job. You a fish? Right. Good job. One more. All right, all done. Good job. Good job. Put them in your mouth. I snuck one. Yummy. No, don't play. Put them in your mouth. Put them in your mouth. Bella, no. You play with them. I mean, you don't play with them. You put them in your mouth. You don't play. Put it in your mouth. Yummy fishies. You done? Wipe your hands? Nope, we're not done. You want the tail? Uh-oh. You dropped the fishies. You gonna finish those? Cleaning your table off? No. Excuse you. All right, all done. All done.